Is it correct to say that the subject matter of your follow-up investigation is the statement of the Vice President that he has hired an assassin?
Yes po, doon po talaga yon dahil we considered it as a serious and actual threat to the life of the President, kaya kailangan po naming bantayan.
And you consider the creation of the Vice President Security Group significant in the investigation of this having hired an assassin?
Para sa amin po, yes, because it is very unusual to a Vice President. If you will look at the history of other Vice Presidents, hindi po ganun karami yung security group na nakabantay po sa kanila.
When you say hindi po ganito karami, can you give us an idea how many security does the Vice President have in comparison with those
Well,
who serve as Vice Presidents?
I'm not sure what is the number, but during the time of Vice President Lenny, I think it's not even more than 30. Pero dito po, hundreds po yung security na tinayo po nila.
You are saying that during the time of Mayor Lenny, Vice President Lenny, around 30.
That is
And
my recollection po.
during the time of VP Sara, how many?
Hundreds po ngayon yan yung na-identify dyan
By hundreds? Is it 100, 200?
More than this, I think it's ranging from 500 po. Nagbawas
500?
na lang po yan Makikita nyo naman po yan, di ba, dun sa paggasta dun sa confidential fund na mention po yan
So this is 30 versus 500? Is that what you're saying, Director Matibag?
So this is unusual po. It's not usual do sa comparison. And we're looking back also as far as the other Vice President at that time po.